Welcome, everyone, to the QMS for Manufacturing podcast. Today, we're diving into ISO 9001 2015, specifically Clause 4.1, understanding the organization and its context. Sounds a bit technical, right? But don't worry, we'll keep it simple and relatable.
That's right, Aarav. Clause 4.1 is all about figuring out what's happening inside and outside your organization that could affect your quality management system. Think of it like being a weather forecaster for your business.
Exactly. Let's start with external issues. Maya, imagine you run a company that exports handmade furniture.
Got it. Exporting sounds fancy already.
Now, let's say the value of your local currency drops compared to the US dollar. What happens?
Ooh, I like where this is going. Since I'm exporting, my products become cheaper for international buyers. More customers, more sales, and higher profits for me.
Yes, but if you were importing raw materials instead, the cost would go up, and that could hurt your profit margins.
Got it? So, monitoring currency fluctuations becomes an important external factor for my business.
Bingo. Now let's talk about internal issues. Imagine your factory is in a remote area, far from the nearest city. What challenges might you face?
Probably finding skilled workers would be tough. People might not want to relocate to a remote area.
True, but there's a flip side. Setting up the factory in a remote area means lower land or rental costs. That could be a big financial advantage.
So, it's about balancing the pros and cons of where you're located.
Exactly. Clause 4.1 encourages organizations to identify both the positive and negative factors like these and monitor them regularly.
Aarav, I'm curious, how do we track these factors? I mean, businesses are juggling so much already.
Good question. Businesses can hold regular management reviews or brainstorming sessions with their team. Simple tools like SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats can also help.
SWOT. That's like a pocket tool for every manager. And for external factors, keeping an eye on trends in technology, the market, and even local laws can make a big difference, right?
Absolutely. The key is to be proactive, not reactive. When you understand these internal and external contexts, you're better equipped to steer your organization towards success.
And that's the whole point of Clause 4.1. Know what's happening around you so you can adapt and thrive.
Exactly, Aarav. So, to our listeners out there, take a step back, analyze your context, and use it to build a stronger quality management system.
And with that, we wrap up today's episode of Manufacturing Simplified. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for more ISO insights made simple. Bye for now.